Right, good morning everyone. Now, right, I've chosen this trim, which is, I'll show it like that, it's easier to see, to decorate around the edge of my little containers that I did yesterday. And I know it still needs trimming off. The bottom's sealed set overnight, so that was fine. I just got to trim it up and then I'm going to, like I say, decorate it. Like that. That's it, that's fine. I'm happy with that. Like that. So I've just put that on, but I'm going to put some little pearly bits on as well. And I'm just going to go around this edge now. Now I'm not doing the back. Reason is I don't waste fabric and material. I don't waste anything. And no one's going to see it but me. So, well, I'm not even going to see it because it's going to be at the back here on the back of my desk. I think what I'm going to do though is I'm going to do another one to go here. Because I want kind of like a shelf thing. So we'll do that today. I'm going to add to this one. So what I'm doing now is just finishing it off really. It's just a matter of putting it on like that. See, like that. I'm not going to do much more than that, and like I said, it's just a storage box for me. I'm going to just put some little flat bits on, flat pearly bits. Oh, that's fine. I'm happy with that. Like I said, I'm going to see it from that view, so it doesn't matter. I can always put them on if I want to, but I don't want to waste. That'll do for me. I'm not fussed. What I will do is keep them separated in case I do change my mind. So right now, they're just going to go in that lid for now. Right, so I'm going to do one more to go on here. And I do have the card, so I'm fine with that. But I want it to be like a tabletop. like that. That'll do. And then our shelf will fit on there. And the weight of anything on that will be fine. So I also want to put a piece in here. So I'm just going to get that big strip again. As a ledge. Just going to put a ledge in. So I'm going to cut 2 of these. Let me just cut 2. Right, so what I'm going to do is just to glue that onto there, like that. I'm going to do the same on this end as well. Glue those pieces together. And we need to cut these to size, because they're going to be the ledge there. And that needs chopping off round about there. They don't have to be perfect, these. They don't have to measure from that side to that. It's a ledge. So as long as that ledge sits in there. It's loose. See, as long as that ledge sits there. Oh, glue. Okay, so we just sit this in, put it into position, which is there, and then when that sits on top and you put any pressure on it and that's glued down, nothing's going to fall. It's not going to push anything down on it. See? And I'll cut this off when we've finished. So now what I've got to do is to make sure that end and this end is all glued down. Sorry, I have no idea how long that's been off. But look, I've just made this little unit that you can store things on. Now, as I've said in my... I did say in the video earlier, in the first part, that I can put trim on here, which I'm going to do. These are all... going to be stored on it as well, so I've got room. And it's holding up very well. It's quite sturdy, but I will be putting a braid on. I do have to put the sides on. And I'm going to have to find a little bit more paper that will match. And I'm not bothered which one, so I'm going to use this one. Just for the sides. Doesn't that look nice? Well, can you see it? That looks fine. I'm not going to put any along here, though I could. But you're not going to see that when I've got the... you're not really going to see the stuff at the back, but when I've got the things on it. So I think what I'm going to do now is to clear my desk off. Sorry, I've got glue on my finger now. I can't do with that. Yeah, I'm going to clear my desk off. Start putting stuff on it. I'm going to have that. I might have that in the middle of the two I've got here.